day, just Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to show y'all what I have in a D-Stash sale that I'm having. Okay, you get this bag inside of this. Okay, and I'll show you everything that's in it. Here you have a Recollections flower. You have a few appliques, cute little appliques. Then you have this tattered, I don't know, some tattered flowers. You have this flower, this blue flower, this beige flower, or peach flower. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, then you get this little applique here. You get this one. And that's all in this bag here. I'm not done yet. You get this brown flower, this green one, a purple, a gray. Then you get this little round doily, this applique, all in this bag here that goes inside the bigger bag, okay? Now I'm going to show you what's in the bigger bag. You get some felt. This is a scrap bag, so whatever scrap I have goes in a scrap bag. You get a piece of felt. You get this sari ribbon. You get this gray ribbon. You get this pink lace. You get this fabric lace. You also get some eyelash trim. Some Easter ribbon. Mine is the binder clip. You do get some white ribbon, white satin ribbon that is. I don't know how many yards, about 3, maybe 4 yards of this. Okay. Actually, I think it's more than that. Let's see, we got one. No, it's 1.5 yards. Okay, so you have that. You have these little crocheted flowers. You have this twine. Okay, let me dump all this out onto the desk, the work area. So I can put everything directly back in the bag. Okay, then we have this piece of fabric. It's just snippets from projects that I've done. Okay. Oops. And you get this piece. So then you get these buttons and clothespins. Get this tassel. Well, it's actually more than one. There's about, well, 5 tassels in here together. You get those. You get this beautiful lace trim. You get these laces and trims. You get this little piece as a snippet. And this. And then this one. Good enough to make snippet rolls. I haven't made one yet for my channel, but I'm planning on it. I don't know when yet. Then you get this beaded heart and beads. These heart-shaped beads. Okay. Get those. You get these seed beads. Okay. Oops. You get this twine. It's like a baby blue gray. Then you get this bling and some chain and some flat back pearls. You get these flat back pearls. Okay. They're like a champagne color. Ouch. You get this clothespin. This lace. And it's kind of big. Then you get this piece of fabric. Well, it's like a tulle or mesh fabric. So you get that. You get washi tape. You get this ribbon. And this is about 1.5 yards. Nope, exactly a yard and exactly a yard. Okay. So you get this. Isn't that pretty? You get this twine. Oops, a daisy. It's a light brown and white. That comes in it. You get all these twines. I'm going to pull them out. You get this light blue one. Okay. There's a lot of twine and fabrics in here. You have this ribbon. These two little pieces of ribbon and lace. These. Got those two. You have this one. This one. And it's all stuff that I've used that was extra from projects. Then you got this piece. I mean, there's a lot in here. That in the bag. Then you have this one. And this one's about a yard. Then you have this piece of fabric. It's a purple color. On the screen it shows that a little different, like a lighter purple. It is a light purple. Then you have this one. It's like a stretchy satin white trim that I use it for. You can ruffle it up and make something else. Then you have some purple tulle, a lavender color tulle. And there's tons of it in here. Get that. Here's some more of the purple fabric. Some lace fabric. A little snippet of the sari ribbon. You get this little bag. Oh, nope, not that. You get this, which has grommet on it. A taupe color ribbon and fabric. Let me get that back together. You get some Valentine's Day ribbon. You get some purple string. This snippet of fabric. This snippet of a ribbon. Here's some trim. Here's some more twine. Some purple pearls. Here's some more fabric lace. This is eyelet. Here's some more fabric. I would call it eyelet because of the little eyes on it. Little opening, the little holes. We got those. We got this lace trim. You have two pieces of leather. This one and this one. You have some flat back pearls here. You have these little seed beads. And there's 3 different colors. There's orange. It's like an iridescent blue. I call it the disco blue. And you have yellow. And you have an empty one, an empty container at the top. And you have some more grommet ribbon. Nah. I'll keep that one. And you have some pieces of jewelry. And some bling. All sorts of stuff in this bag. See, there's the bling. Some snippets of trim that I've used. Here's some jewelry. That goes back in here. And this goes back in the bag. You got this piece of trim, lace fabric. You got 3 pieces of it. Okay. You have this lace fabric. You have this ribbon. This lace fabric, not that. This is a trim, eyelet trim or fabric. Put that in the bag. Then you have 2 rows of some satin, silk satin fabric. Now I'm not going to give this because it's too hard at the bottom. Let's see. Let's check this one and see. We can give this one. Okay. And you have this. Christmas and mesh. You have this little bitty trim. You have this trim. Nah. You have all these beads here. They're rondelles. They're all different colors, red and blue. I don't know what other colors. They got like a purple, a clear. That's in the bag. And you got this pink flat back pearl trim. Then you have these appliques. There's 2 of them. You have this piece of fabric. And most of the fabrics are kind of a good size for you to do a project with. That one. Then you have this fabric lace trim. This one, oh, I love this one. I stick ribbon through the middle. I'm not going to get that one. Sorry. I have an idea for that one. And then you have this one. Okay. Then you also have this snap bracelet. It's leather. Okay. And I'm asking for this whole entire bag here, $8. If you're interested, please message me on Facebook or email me. My email is down below in the comment section. And that'll be it for today. Thank you for watching, Crafty Angels. I'll see you all in the next video. And on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Be well. Keep crafty. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And also, take care of one another. Be kind to one another. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.